Thinking about buying your first Bitcoin but don't know where to start? In this video, I'll guide you step by step to make your first Bitcoin purchase safely and easily. To buy Bitcoin, you'll need to use a cryptocurrency exchange. Think of it as an online marketplace where you can buy and sell Bitcoin. Popular options include Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. Choose an exchange that's easy to use and has good reviews. Look for beginner-friendly exchanges. Ensure the exchange is regulated in your country. Make sure to securely write down your seed phrase in a safe location and do not share it with anyone. Next, sign up for an account. You'll need to provide your email address, create a strong password, and verify your identity. This is to ensure your account stays secure and complies with financial regulations. Use two-factor authentication, 2FA, for added security. It's like having a second lock on your door. After your account is set up, deposit money to buy Bitcoin. Most exchanges allow you to use your bank account, debit card, or even PayPal. Bank transfers usually have lower fees, but debit cards are faster. Start with a small amount, like $50 or $100, to get comfortable with the process. Now it's time to buy Bitcoin. Select Bitcoin from the list of cryptocurrencies, enter the amount you want to buy, and confirm the purchase. Congratulations, you're now a Bitcoin owner. You don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin. You can start with as little as $10, depending on the exchange. VO. Finally, move your Bitcoin to a secure wallet. There are two main types: hot wallets, which are online, and cold wallets, which are offline. Cold wallets, like hardware wallets, are the safest option if you plan to hold your Bitcoin long-term. Think of a cold wallet like a safe deposit box for your Bitcoin, offline and secure. Now you know how to buy Bitcoin safely. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more easy-to-follow crypto tutorials. See you in the next video.